Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea if this will work. If it does, well, you're watching the video. If you don't, well, you never know it exists. So, welcome to a brand new video. So what am I expecting? I don't know. Well, basically, I'm running now with the GoPro, or the action camera, not the GoPro, because I don't have a GoPro, to my chest, and I am running, well, my usual audio recorder, but I am running on my open helmet, meaning that there is nowhere to shield from the wind. So again, I have no idea if this works. I know that some people are motovlogging with an open helmet and does it really well. I don't know if I have a good enough microphone. I fully understand that this will not work on highway. Just, you know, because I don't have any proper wind protection. Man, the sun is bright. I have sunglasses on, but the wind is super bright. Or not, the wind is not, oh, come on. The sun is super bright. The wind is bright, come on. Anyway, guys, this is my first motovlog in a really long time. I gave some reasons to why I haven't uploaded in a video. There's in the upper right corner here, there's a link to the video. I do a little bit of a rant on some topic. So go check it out if you're interested. Yeah, this will be an interesting experiment. I'm just out for a quick evening ride, partly to test this setup, and partly because it's such a lovely evening, and partly because I want to fly my drone a bit. I've gotten back into flying drones. It's such a nice fun thing to do. I have an old drone. It works so and so. So hopefully it works today. I don't know. You never know actually if that's going to work or not. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. How are you guys? Here in Sweden we have sort of summer. Temperature-wise, we have around 20 degrees midday, which is absolutely fantastic. Nights, evenings haven't really come up to summer temperatures yet, but hopefully we'll get there anyway. So yeah, I know I've said this quite a few times, but I am starting to look at a second bike. I have still 1 year of payments on this sucker, so it won't be now, but, and I don't know. Hopefully, I have been looking at the Triumph Street Triple R and Street Triple RS, sort of a naked upright bike. I think they look awesome. I know that's a subjective opinion, but I think they look really cool. And now I've ridden the 2019 version of the RS. I think that was one of the most fun bikes I've ever ridden. Let's see, maybe next year. yeah, the Triumph triple 765R and RS. It's not a pirate bike, not an R. It's an RS and an RR. Yeah, I know it sounds stupid. Again, English not my native language, so my apologies. What else is new? Not much. I'm trying to plan things for the summer. Actually, I haven't that much planned. I have vacation late in July, so I still have almost 2 months left before my vacation. So, but yeah, hopefully it will be something fun. Nothing really decided yet. And if you wonder if I'm gonna trade in this bike, no. The bike I'm getting next will be an addition, not a replacement. I've said this before, and I really hope that I don't have to sell this bike until the day I really want to. Because that day might come, I'm not saying, but my feeling right now is that I hope I don't have to sell it, or will sell it for a long time. Maybe I can park. What's this? Haha! I will not. I think I'm looking for a place to put the bike so I can take the drone up. This is a nice road. Here we have something. What is this? Can I put it here? Yeah, I think I can actually. Cool. Let's put it here for now. Will it stand here? It will not fall? Yeah, we'll see. I went to the gas station I don't know, a week ago or something, and I put the bike like this, and I took the nozzle for the gas for the pump, and I see something like in the corner of my eye, and I see the bike moves, and luckily I was quick enough to be able to catch it. Otherwise I would have had to pick it up from the ground. So yeah, I was close, let me tell you. I was really too close for comfort. So what I have here is an old Mavic Pro. Don't know how old this is, but at least what year is it now? 2023. Man, 5 years? Nah, not quite 5 years. Yeah, almost, I think, actually. Had an Inspire 1 that I traded this for. So yeah, long time ago. But it's still, like I said, works sometimes. Not always. Absolutely not always. Where's my phone? If this, audio doesn't work until like now when I've stopped, you will only be watching, most likely, some drone footage. You can tell this is an old drone because this is not made for a larger phone. which phones are nowadays. You know, they are larger. It's just how it is. See if we can get a signal. Put this baby in the air. Get some footage. Where is this? Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it says aircraft disconnected, which is, you know, it's right there. It's here. So let's try to restart it. See if that helps. Yeah, it's about a 60-40 chance that this will work. I mean, it does boot up. So let's see. And I mean, the controller is connected. It's just that the phone is not. How come? Let's try to see if we can restart the app. See if that helps. Yeah, it did actually. Up and away! Anyway, guys, that's it for some drone footage. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And, well, until next time, ride safe, ride smart. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.